Welcome to Intel Galaxy channel. This video is an awareness to the users who going to buy laptops in this year 2024. A lot of confusions to the people who going to buy new laptop. There are a lot of brands and variety of configurations available in market. Don't get confused. I will suggest you a simple solution that will help you to buy a good laptop. If you want to purchase laptop with any configuration like i3, i5, i7 or i9, first you must check whether the laptop ships with a sticker or badge, named as intelevo. If this intelevo sticker is on the laptop, we can easily identify that this laptop is intelevo certified. Intelevo certified laptops are having good quality, performance and some other features. Intelevo platform from Intel is available from the year 2020 itself. It is manufacturing standard like ISO and applicable to laptop manufacturing only. Many laptop manufacturing companies are now following this standard. My suggestion is to buy intelevo certified laptops. Now we will go through the details and standards of intelevo platform. Laptops manufactured with intelevo undergo rigorous testing, better user experience, latest processor support and delivers high performance. Key features of intelevo laptops. Instant wake enable the laptops wake from sleep in less than 1 second, ensuring quick access. Incorporates biometric security like fingerprint and face recognition for secure logins. Intel Iris Xe graphics is inbuilt. AI, the artificial intelligence integrated for features like noise suppression during calls. Improve communication. Adaptive power management optimizes the device performance based on user inputs. Now about battery life and charging. Laptops powered by intelevo platform offer up to 9.5 hours of usage on full HD display, ensuring productivity throughout the day. This platform supports fast charging, allowing user to get 4 hours of battery life with just a 30 minutes charging. EVO laptops are built with Thunderbolt port version 4. This offers 40 gigabits per second data transfer. Normally USB 3 Gen 1 data transfer is 10 gigabits per second. USB 3 Gen 2 data transfer is 20 gigabits per second. Latest Wi-Fi version 6E is the standard for EVO laptops. It ensures fast and reliable wireless connections. Design standards are backlit keyboard and precision touchpad. Thin and light designs, often convertible or foldable display for portability. Full HD bright displays provide vibrant visuals for better user experience. Who will get benefit of this EVO laptops? First one is creative professionals like designers, video editors who needs high-performance graphics. Second one is business users. The instant wake feature and long-lasting battery life. Enhance productivity in mobile work environments. Intelevo platform ensures quality, performance and user experience. So, I suggest you buy laptops with intelevo sticker or badge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click bell icon.